The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus is praised for its large display, AMOLED screen and solid battery. But there's one thing many buyers only notice after using it, and it could affect your experience. Will you still buy it if you know about the network and performance limitation? Stay tuned, I will quickly show you everything, the good, the hidden downside, and whether it worth the 260,000 naira. And before we dive in, take a second and click the subscribe button. It's completely free. First, let's talk about the network and performance. The Hot 60 Pro Plus only supports 4th, 3rd and 2nd generation network. For 260,000 naira, this might feel a little bit limited in 2025. Streaming high quality videos or downloading large apps could be slower than expected. The MediaTek Helio G200 chipset handles basic apps smoothly, but heavy usage or future updates may slow it down. Listen, it's not a deal breaker, but it's something to consider if you plan to keep this phone for a couple of years. Now, the display. One of the strongest points, 6.78-inch AMOLED display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Bright, clear, 700 nits typical, 1600 nit high brightness, 4500 nit peak. Even under sunlight, visuals stay sharp. For 260,000 naira, this display alone justifies the phone price. Audio is impressive too. A dual JBL speaker delivers clear sound for movie and music. And listen, it also supports wired earphone, a solid multimedia experience for a phone in this price range. The camera setup is competitive. The 50-megapixel Sony camera produces crisp image in good lighting condition. The front 13-megapixel camera provides decent selfie. For this price, it's a good combination of quality and value. Battery performance is another highlight. 5160 mAh battery. Fast charging at 45 watts plus 10 watts reverse charging. This phone can easily last a full day, even charge other devices if needed. Additional features include a dual nano SIM slot, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C with OTG, FM radio and even NFC. An IP65 splash, water and dust resistance. It's powered by Android 15, fresh software with security updates. Now, let me ask you this. With display, battery, camera and connectivity features, do you think the Hot 60 Pro Plus is worth the 260,000 naira? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I would like to hear your take. And if you appreciate honest review like this, subscribe now. Listen, I don't just hype devices. I tell you the real value so you can spend your money wisely. Considering everything, network limitation, chipset lifespan, solid display, audio and battery, the Hot 60 Pro Plus is a balanced option. It may not be the fastest or most powerful proof. For 260,000 naira, it offers good durability, strong multimedia performance and solid daily usability. So before you go, subscribe so you don't miss my next phone breakdown with no hype. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.